The importance of gold and gold jewelry in the world since the beginning has been immeasurable. However, only a few countries today are highly obsessed with gold. Irrespective of the price, these countries don't shy away from buying it. Gold jewelry is often worn as a religious symbol too. Besides, other religions, mostly Hindus, consider gold and gold jewelry as religious symbols. It's also said that due to the calming influence of gold quiver on the skin, one can even feel the development of the overall blood circulation. And just by wearing a gold ring or a gold chain, the oxygen flow in various parts of the body will increase. Moreover, jewelry helps to enhance a person's beauty. It also symbolizes wealth, power, and status. For some people, jewelry is an art form of self and creative expression. And for some, it's used as jewelry wearable as part of their tradition and culture. You might own a jewelry or two yourself, but have you wondered how the gold jewelry is made?
Hey everyone. Welcome back to DSP Factory Made. If you enjoy what you're about to see, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. Let's dive in.
Speaking of jewelry manufacturing around the world, the process has now become very technical, but in the olden days, the jewelry was mostly handmade with few different tools. As a result, with the advancement in the area of technology and machine making around, and all the most modern jewelry production technologies have been applied in the process, compared with traditional jewelry manufacturers who have not yet adopted new methods, these new age technologies have helped manufacturers like us save a lot of time on each product and enough manpower saving too. Digging into history, jewelry was completely handmade, metal was shaped, and the setting of gems was carefully done by hand. Whereas, as already stated, due to the progress in technology, craftsmen have gained access to quality and variety of machines and technologies to help them make each masterpiece without neglecting customer satisfaction. Jewelry craftsmen are considered as designers. Yes, for a matter of fact, jewelry design courses have become a thing now, but earlier it was never that way. The craftsmen would teach the next generation, and they would teach the next one after them. To be precise, all the jewelry making designers today have rich experience and knowledge in jewelry design and manufacturing, which allows them to innovate in design and modify the significance more purely. Usually, even jewelry designing starts with an idea. For developing an idea or a thought, the craftsmen majorly draw inspiration from their experience and market trend. Besides, customization is a different way. Speaking of the manufacturing process of such gold jewelry, there are many ways to make jewelry, from basics to most modern. We'll explain to you all the techniques applied or used to make gold jewelry. Handmade jewelry. Handmade jewelry has its own past and trend today. The handmade jewelry market, though small, is still prevailing. Handmade jewelry has its own finesse, significance, and specialty.